She literally loves it, mate, just trotting along. I wish I was a dog sometimes. Life would be easier. Pee where you want, poo where you want, get fed all the time, get your head stroked, your back rubbed, get your nails clipped. What a life. Hey, you! Do you want to swap? You want to swap? Does she help? Going on with this wind as well today, man. Blowing around the place. Come on! You lady. Love her. Everything's so much better when you're out with your dog going for a walk. Don't know what it is for me anyway. I'll just get out there and everything seems to disappear until you get back home. So yeah, if walking helps you, get yourself out there for a walk, even if it helps you for an hour, just to chill yourself out and ground yourself again. It's working for me, it's working for someone else surely. Got to protect your energy, got to respect your health, respect yourself. Come on in.